welcome to Editor Show. Oh. Hello, welcome to Editor Show from Jace King's channel. Jace King is busy right there, so I'm gonna make a video for you guys to enjoy. What you think something that, because there's pandemic thingy happening right now and COVID sucks. To be honest, I have COVID. Online class. How do you sleep while listening to teachers? That's easy. How do you sleep while you're listening to teachers? I'm just sleeping with my eyes open. Getting started, you must have a useless router, a good-looking stick that can go into ladies' parts, a phone I don't know whose phone I'm holding, and a quacking TV that you should move. Also, a mattress on the floor. So thinking about it, how do you move this TV? So watch me moving this TV. So that's how you move the TV. Where's your light? Can I borrow your light? Okay, we're using another plan. So you move the TV. You're gonna get the router. After you throw the router out of the window, get your stick. Oh no, I forgot. How do you... Oh, let's go downstairs and see if we have another stick. So here's the stick. Don't mind the TV is very strong. You need a big bear with a stick on his ding dong, and you need earphones to hear what the teacher's saying. Oh, don't mind the hair. It was just I was being hair cutted by Jace King. Oh, you gotta use this phone. Put it on the stick thingy. Oh, did I show you the stick thingy? Okay, let's show you the stick thingy. Don't mind again the TV. It's actually a big ruler. It's a ruler going from the ding dong of this bear. Hi, bear.
My things are messy, I'm not sure. Don't close your eyes and let it catch up.
Oh no.
Press snooze to stop the world.
Oh, it's just what I feared for.
I think it varies on the person. I might blow up some.
So this happened. I'm not sure what's going to happen here. So swipe. Wow. Break. Turn the light. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh wow. So that so this no under this wall. Cover this up. Oh guys. So the mattress is freaking idiot. Oh my god. Oh no, I'm not an idiot, I'm a genius. So I'm gonna move this bear on the side. I'm going to go on. So we'll wait on the class. If you notice that I adjust something, that means it's very dangerous.
Okay, what is 3 minus 1? That is 2. Ayan. After that,
So I got actually got because look what happened. The phone straight up. So see you guys later. So here's the math class. As you can see, it's sequence.
Okay, laging minus 1 yan ha. Laging minus 1.
So good.
By the way, update ko lang